Welcome back to Shady's Garage. It's been a while since I did a video, and I'm going to do a video on this. I picked up this little Columbia golf cart type truck. Gotta give a shout out to my sponsor. I picked up this. It had been setting for a while. I put 8 new batteries in it. Thought it would take off and go, and it did not. Just made some hissing noise back at the back there. So I went ahead and pulled all this off, the controller, pulled the motor off, and found the, of course this was real dirty, I cleaned that up. I got a project there to work, but I found the brushes were all stuck in here. Of course they were wore down to hardly anything left. Could not get the brushes out of the holders, end up breaking it, so I just got this today, this new holder. This was about $100 just for this piece right here that holds the brushes. So it's expensive. But the little thing is going to be pretty cool when it's done. It's got backup lights, heated cab, little truck bed. I think it's got a pretty high capacity for a payload. Windshield washer fluid reservoir. It's got sliding windows. There's the new batteries you can see. It's got seat belts. Parking brake. There's the heater. So it's going to be pretty comfortable to ride around in this. Windshield wiper. Glass windshield. Turn signals, horn, hazard lights, keyed ignition. High and low speed, of course your regular forward and reverse and neutral. High beam, low beam, and then switch for your wipers. Cup holders from a 40-ounce Coors Light. I've got the rubber floor in it for easy clean out, wash out. It has nice side view mirrors. It's also got like 12-inch white wagon wheel rims on it. Of course, there you can see the headlights and turn signals. Big beefy front bumper. Got a little strobe light. It needs to be cleaned up. It's been sitting outside in the weather for a while. But stay tuned. I'm going to put this motor together. I'm waiting on the brushes to come in. Then I'm going to put it all back together. That thing is very heavy too. I pulled it out of here, didn't know it was that heavy, and of course it wanted to drop to the ground. Smash my finger. This is the built-in charger, which is right there, the controller. Just takes a regular plug to plug it in. So I'm kind of excited to get this thing going. And in golf cart communities, you can drive them out on the road. So that's what I'm looking forward to. Stay tuned. Shady Aftermath 2021.